You've seen the thumbnail, you read the title, I'm sure you figured out what this is. This is the hardest decision I've had to make in many years. After 9 years, I've made the decision to close down the Low Carb Cocktail Guy chapter. Looking back, it's nothing short of amazing. It's 275 videos brought us 6,735 subscribers. Wow, thank you. I'm going to end up saying thank you a whole lot to you guys. No subscribers in those videos. This is what blew my mind, and I don't do this. I'm not monetized. I don't get paid from YouTube. I make no money on this channel. And there never was an intention to become some famous YouTuber. It was never the intention. My intention was to share my knowledge with you. That's all it was. But we had over 329,000 views. More than 329,000 views. And that's not just statistics. Those are moments. Those are memories for me. For every one of you that clicked a like button, every one of you that subscribed, every one of you that left a comment. Some of y'all said, this is a great cocktail. Those are memories that I'm never going to forget. I started this channel over a margarita because my wife wanted a low-carb margarita when she started the Atkins diet. Yeah. From that point, I really got to find the creative side of me, the entertainment side of me, experimenting with different things, different flavors, learning a little bit about the science of keto and ketosis and all that jazz and all the different sweeteners. But over time, most recently, I've realized I've said everything I had to say. I've done everything I can do. I haven't had video outs in a few months because I can't think of anything else. I've shot several videos that just never did air. It just wasn't really good content. It was just regurgitated stuff from older videos, and that was it. And you guys didn't sign up for that. So once I realized it got to that point, it was time for me to realize and accept it that I'm done. I'm done. It reminds me back in the late 80s and early 90s when I was competing in martial art tournaments where I was out there to prove something to myself. And my last 3 tournaments that I competed in, I took first place in every division I entered. And at that point in time, it was like, I've proved to myself what I can do. And then I stopped competing and started focusing on teaching. But same thing goes here, is I think I've done everything I can. This isn't a goodbye. I'm not walking away from you. I'm not leaving you behind. I'm going on a new journey. I'm still going to be on YouTube. I'm still going to be making cocktails. I'm still going to be talking spirits. It's just going to be on another channel. It's called Fandom Flavors. There'll be a link somewhere, maybe at the end of the video. There might be something in the pinned comments, a description. I don't know where it's going to be at, but it's going to be somewhere here, down below, and all that stuff, where you can click it and join me over there. But I feel like for me to expand on my creativity, I have to expand on my ingredients. So that's what I'm doing. The channel's currently sitting at about 7 videos. It's 2 years old. I didn't really focus a whole lot on it. It started out to be just a silly, hey, let's make pop culture themed cocktails. But the more I thought about it, the more I can do there. I want to do more rum education. I want to be able to do, just to be able to bring my creativity and bring new flavors out that I've not been able to share yet, just because of the limitations of low carb. And we've talked about that many times, that there's some ingredients I can't make low carb. There's some cocktails you just can't do low carb. So this new venture will allow me to expand on those things and do more exciting things and share to a broader audience, and I hope you're a part of that audience. I'll always carry the Low Carb Cocktail Guy spirit with me. The laughs, the late night experiments, the spills, dropping ice on the bar because you're supposed to do that. Just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your day, your home bars, your kitchens. Saying goodbye is hard, but it's exciting to know that there's a new chapter, and I hope you're going to be part of that. So if you've enjoyed this journey as much as I have, I hope you follow me over to Fandom Flavor. You'll still get the Zany Frank. All the stuff that you've come to expect of me is still going to happen. There's just going to be some sugar involved in it from time to time. So I thought it'd be appropriate. So to finish the last video with the cocktail that started it all, the Keto Rita. So one last time, cheers. I hope you have a great day, because I know I am. See you later.